Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a small claims case. First, understand that small claims court is designed for individuals to resolve disputes without complex legal procedures. These courts handle cases involving specific dollar limits, which can range from a few $1,000s up to $10,000, depending on your state's regulations. It's a streamlined process, allowing you to present your case directly to a judge. Before filing, thoroughly prepare your case. Begin by accurately identifying the person or business you are suing, known as the defendant, and their correct address. Collect all supporting evidence, such as written agreements, invoices, emails, and photographs. Organize these documents clearly, perhaps in chronological order, to make your presentation to the judge as straightforward as possible. Strong evidence is crucial for a successful outcome. Next, you'll need to complete the required court forms, which are usually available at the courthouse or online. Fill them out carefully, providing all requested information. After completing the forms, you will pay a filing fee, which is generally between $30 and $75. The final step in this stage is to ensure the defendant receives official notice of the lawsuit, a process called service of process, which must follow specific legal rules. On your court date, arrive early and be prepared to present your case. Speak clearly and stick to the facts, using your organized evidence to support your claims. The judge will listen to both sides and then make a decision. If the judge rules in your favor, you will receive a judgment. It's important to understand that collecting the money is your responsibility, and the court clerk can provide information on collection methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.